Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to install VMEXI latest version 7.0.3 on our hardware with license key. And later on we will install virtual machines also on it. So we will start from Google. We will download uh, VMESXI download, and here is the official website. Okay, for downloading, you have to log in with your email ID and your password. If you don't have email ID, create an account and log in with that one. And because I already have account, so I will log in on with my account. Okay, here you can see you can download here EXI ISO image file. So download it manually. Click on this one and start download. Because I already have the file, so I no need to download it. Here is my file, and this is the software. You can make your USB bootable for to install your EXI on hardware. Okay, guys, I came here in the boot menu of my system, and I will press a down key, and I will boot from my external storage device, that is Sony storage media. I will press enter, and the EXI installer start booting from the USB, and it is now going to install the EXI server on a hardware. You can see it. This is VMware EXI 7.0.3, and this is the latest version EXI server. It's also show the system specs like Intel R Core TM i5 3570 CPU, 3.4 GHz, and the memory is 7.9, which means this is 8 GB RAM on it. It will take some time. Okay, guys, it is asking for welcome to VMware EXI 7.0.3 installation. Enter for continue. I will press enter. F11, accept and continue. Okay, here again it is asking for the internal drive, that is ATA, or external drive Sony, that is media storage, that is USB. So we will press here simply enter, because I want to install my EXI server on the internal hard drive. So I will simply press enter. That is scanning, gathering additional information for it is asking for upgrade, install, or overwrite. I will do installation and again press enter, and F11 upgrade, F9 back, escape F11. Okay, that is upgrading to EXI 7.0.3. It is actually I already installed EXI on this system, so it is showing upgrading. For first time, it will show installation. It will take some time. I will simply press enter to reboot the server, and it will. There is loading VMware EXI. It will take some time. Okay, our server is set up basic configurations automatically. Starting services, loading EXS. Okay guys, our EXI server is up, and it is taking uh, from IP from DHCP because I connected with my network this server. So we can also configure the IP address manually. What is the procedure for that one? We will press F2, and here is password. We will go reset net management, configure management networks, and IPv4 configurations. Use set static IP address 192.168.30.10 and 192.168.30.1. That is default gateway. Okay, what we do here, simply press enter, and for change, skip. So we want to here, we will press simply here yes. We will go back, see our IP here, change, and that is static. What we do here, we will simply go to our browser and we will access this EXI server from there. So we can configure everything from there. Okay, we will open our browser and we will do remaining configurations there. Okay, welcome back. Here we open our browser and we will put the IP address here, that is 192.168.30.10 that we configure in our EXI server. The default username is root, and password is where you put there. Same password, that one. Okay, we have no virtual machine here, and we will click on host. This is the version 7.0 updated 3. This is the uptime. We will check about, this is the EXI version. Okay, now we go to manage and licensing. That is the expiration date is Sunday, December 12th, 2021, and here is time also. What we do here, we will assign the license, and license key I will share with you in the comments. Check license. Okay, license key is valid for vSphere 7 Hypervisor. Okay, assign license. When we assign the license, now this is the key, and expiration date never, means it will never expire. Here is our EXI, all detail here. You can see it. In next lecture, inshallah, we will tell you how to create VMs on it. Thanks for watching us. Please like our channel, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching the Sky Networks.